Three villages comprising of Gobindrongpi, Samtaro and Tokbiso Phangcho village on Tuesday met Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron and held discussion on several issues faced by the people. A representation was also submitted to the Municipal Board Chairman highlighting their issues. A delegation from the three villages led by KSA CEC Assistant Publicity Secretary Lalit Swartaro met the Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron at 1 p.m. during which they acquainted him of various problems of the area. The delegation stated that PHE of the area was not functioning, due to which villagers remain deprived of safe drinking water. The delegation further stated that the appalling condition of the road have been the main cause which is impacting on the education of their children, pointing out that the non-pliable condition of the road are preventing students and teachers from reaching their classes on time. The villagers also pointed out that power supply to their villages are very irregular and was affecting on their entire life of the villagers, including children in their studies and their entire life. The delegation led by the KSA Assistant Publicity Secretary informed local media that the purpose of their meeting was to seek help and information regarding developmental schemes and projects for their villages following recognition of township to Dokmoka area.
Dokmoka Town Committee long kebangalam lapulo non la Town Committee kepang dangpon la sopang dangpon along nilitung lapun nata Samparo rong Gobindrongpi rong lapen Tokbiso Phangcho la rong thom arada tum sitame non itung town angkang dodoning tung kamatha pongpen nilitung labangso alu town committee chairman khai Teron Sarphan pajil ponlo athe nilitung ta kedo dak Dokmoka pen kache lo 4 km sido lasi labangso 4 km ate bokhet highway labang sorong sistame Dokmoka town angkang nang palu pon ji pusi nilitum arong arat pen nitum bangso alu pajir pon.
Meanwhile, Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron also told local media that they would look into the issues highlighted in the memorandum, and official interaction with the delegation team of the three villages would soon be taken up for discussion to pursue their demands.
Kecing sin itu Februari ceklo sin itu survey berapa? Februari ceklo survey hurban ke mengalang itu lah. Kamarat atau mungkin hasil mungkin itu public konflik. Sita me alang itu mendonang le lote kita accept nang aku ada accept lo. Dokmoka rat akum ta je karbi itu ta horatia dalam andam nangi. Itu signboard pidam nangi kita cerai pun. Sindon mentusi keklaim polima mentus daima ken di don yaro ben singki chunan kokpo mondor SK tihanan kokpo laso survey that kana fi isi alang itaman rajar lang dak pan rajar kitun ko
Sarpang Ring Tigathars report from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live.